Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Comcast Xfinity Home app for security integrations, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Comcast Xfinity Home app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you'll see the welcome screen. Tap on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your Xfinity username in the designated field. Make sure to input your password correctly in the next field. If you prefer, you can check the Remember Me option for future logins. Once you have filled in your credentials, tap on the Sign In button. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your home dashboard. In case you forget your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email or text message. If you encounter any login issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also ensure your Xfinity account is active by logging into the Xfinity website. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting Xfinity customer support for further assistance. Once logged in, you can explore the security integrations available in the app. Familiarize yourself with the various features like camera feeds, motion alerts, and home security settings. Always log out of the app if you're using a shared device for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.